Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a fascinating world of machine learning, specifically focusing on the two main types, supervised and unsupervised learning. But before we jump into that, let's grasp what machine learning is all about. Machine learning is all about us. From Siri understanding our questions to predicting our shopping preferences, it's the process of teaching machines to learn from data without explicit programming. Take Siri for instance. When you ask a question, a speech recognition system algorithm converts your words into text, which is then analyzed to understand your intent. This is the essence of machine learning. Supervised learning, as that name suggests, works under supervision. In this method, machines are trained with labeled data. Labeled data means data where we already know the answers. For example, if I show you an image of a dog and I tell you it's a dog, that's labeled data. We feed this labeled data into the machine and it learns to associate features with labels. So when new understand data comes into the machine can accurately predict and make decisions based on past data text. Supervised learning can be further divided into two categories, classification and regression. Classification. Classification is used when the output variable is categorized, like determining if an email is spam or not. For example, to determine if an email is spam, we use various filters, like analyzing content, email headers, and keywords. These filters give the email a spam score, and based on this score, the algorithm decides whether it goes to the inbox or the spam folder. Regression, on the other hand, deals with predicting continuous values. For instance, we can predict humidity based on temperature. After training the machine with data on temperature and humidity, it can accurately predict humidity for a given temperature. Now let's explore some real-life applications of supervised learning. First, risk assessment in financial services uses supervised learning to minimize risk. Portfolios image classification, like Facebook recognizing faces in photos, is another example. Fraud detection, where machines identify fraudulent transactions, and visual recognition, where objects and images are identified, are also common applications. Unsupervised learning. There is no labeled data, and the machine tries to identify patterns on its own. Clustering and association are the two main types of unsupervised learning. Clustering groups data based on similarities. Imagine a telecom company trying to reduce the churn rate. They analyze customer behavior based on a call duration and internet usage and then group customers accordingly. By understanding these patterns, they can offer tailored plans to retain the customers. Association finds the relationship between variables in large datasets. For instance, consider a supermarket analyzing customer purchases. If customer 1 buys bread and milk and customer 2 buys bread and rice, it's highly likely that the customer 3 who buys bread will also buy milk. This association helps in making recommendations and improving the sales. Thank you once again.